Good morning. It is Holy Saturday, April 4th, 2015, and I am almost in Merida. You can see it over in the distance, the light city in the midst of the valleys. That's my destination today. I've been going for 2.5 hours. It's a light day, only 15 kilometers. I feel very strong today. I had a good breakfast, and that might be helpful, and I should remember that because sometimes I don't eat breakfast. But I'm having a really good day. It just feels good today, and I don't know why. It might be because I'm starting to get Camino fit, and I'm starting to feel a little stronger. I'll test that theory out tomorrow, because after attending Easter Mass in the morning, I think I'm going to try for a long stage of about 38, which I haven't done before. 37 is the longest I did on the French Camino, and 38 will tax me, but I feel like I got it in me, and if I can do that with some ease, or at least if I can get there successfully without dying, it'll let me know that the rest of the Camino is probably within my grasp. I thought of a couple of things. First, a few days ago, when we were going up that final hill on the 28-kilometer stage, I was dying that day, and I was talking about how much water I need, and I just still haven't figured that one out, because things have gotten back to normal. I am hydrating, but I don't have to drink a liter every 8 kilometers like I did before. And I don't know if it was just the start, or burning fat, or trying to get used to walking. So things that gives me hope that, you know, what was wrong is no longer wrong, or what I was experiencing isn't going to be crippling. The other thing that made this day feel good is that I had a chance to talk to my kids last night. Casey and Dan just got back from Mexico. They were there for a wedding, and they had a holiday, and they probably needed it. I know Casey's been a bit stressed, and she's got a wedding coming up, and that's stress enough, but she's got lots of other things going on, and so I'm glad you had a vacation, Case. And this morning at 7 o'clock, I noticed that my son was on Skype, which means he was up at 1 o'clock in the morning. That's pretty typical on a weekend, and I got the chance to talk to him this morning, and that was nice. He's been following me on YouTube, and it was nice. And then yesterday I got a chance to Skype with Georgina again, and all is well with her. She looks beautiful, and I miss her. So I'm presently on my way. I'm just giving you a taste of what the path is like. Right here, it's pretty rocky. And then the vineyards to the right, there are rocks everywhere. So you have to look down and mind where you're stepping, because any of these stones could be ankle breakers. But as I come into Merida, I'm going to be probably anyway doing part B's and C's, because this is an old Roman town, and it's it's a heritage town, and wonderful museum and aqueduct and all those things. So I thought it was kind of interesting, just sort of dealing with the age and with time and history, and it's kind of nice. So looking over more vineyards, and they're everywhere. And up on the hill are goats and chickens in a farm. Goats come and go. Haven't seen pigs in a long time. You know, the pigs were in those hills early on. So I'm just walking. I really am having a good day, and it's nice to be able to say that. So I hope there's no wind on this camera. I know sometimes it's a problem. So I will let you go, and I'll talk to you later. This is Slow Walking Stevie Wonder. still walking slowly. Hasta luego.